Look what I found here. This is the first one I replaced. Like I said, the code is gone. This side timing is not bad. At the other side here, look, timing is so bad. So this side I were replaced the whole timing kit and the phaser. And everything should be fine. Get this kit from eBay. This is a good brand. Nice. Just like $129, something like that. There's a part number right there if you need it. Alright, and I'll let you know the result in a comment below. Let me know if you have any question. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the video.